BPCL we can buy above 765. So we had a sell call which made profits. If you remember, same BPCL. Now I am placing the order for a buy call. So that will be 2 trades on a single script today.
There is a sell call in UPL1. There is a buy call involving 1.
So this is roughly the profit loss statement for today. That is at 10:29. So you can see that you are in 24,000 rupees profit, both in the buy and the sell calls. So this is what I was talking about. Before 11 you can make at least 10 to 20,000 rupees every day, irrespective of where the market goes. So now you have that, you can see the profit here. On the sell side it is 24,000. On the buy side there's some stop losses hit, like Wipro had did a stop loss, and Bank Nifty and Syndicate Bank. So the total loss, but we had some buy calls also. The total loss is around 764, and your total profit is around 24,500. So that will be roughly 23,000 rupees at least a profit. 23,000 and odd. That is, will be a profit at 929. Sorry, 1029. Any questions on this? Reliance I haven't seen, but if you want to check Reliance, yeah, it is there in the deep red from day before yesterday. Total margin for all these trades, you can see an average. I can tell you, you will need around 7,000 rupees approximately on an average for each trade. So let's say roughly if you have around 2 lakh rupees, you should be able to do 30 scripts at a single time. And what you are seeing is all 30 scripts here. And there are some trades which did not get triggered, like in case of SUNPHARMA we had a sell call which did not get triggered here. But overall, if you have around 2 lakh rupees, you can do around 30 trades at a single time. So Adani Power, we have a sell call. Let me just check the chart. So I place the order at 45.45. That is, we have a support there. If it breaks that, then we will make profit. So Adani Power, I am placing a sell order 45.45. So what I want, what we have now is, this page will come on in your profit and loss calculation. We have added that one more sheet. So at the end of, you can just keep watching this for your profits and losses. You don't have to really calculate, or you can just even watch it in your terminal also. So this is another advantage and other additional facility what we have added in FuturesTree, where you can see that the scripts which are in yellow color, you can see that yellow in Bank Nifty, Syndicate Bank, Wipro and Hindalco, these have hit stop losses. So the yellow color means it has hit a stop loss. But once it hits a stop loss in the bank nifty, you did get a buy call again. So you had a sell call here initially in the morning, then it hit a stop loss, it gave a buy call, and it could have covered your profits also. Covered your losses, and then it would have given you slight profits. So Hindalco, I actually showed you that it hit the stop loss at 173 earlier.
Strategy alert.
So Axis Bank, I told you I am going to place an order above this price. So it has crossed that price, it has placed the order. Now you can just check what is the profit in this one. So you just place the order and leave it, it will automatically get triggered in your terminal, and then you can start doing the booking, profit booking only you can do it. Then you don't have to worry about, you can even change the stop loss also. In case if you ask me what will be the stop loss for this, I will put the stop loss here in the recent low, that is 48890. I can put the order stop loss here. And then I'll just update it. So my stop loss for Axis Bank is done. I've already put my stop loss. So you can keep changing your trailing stop loss for each and every script. So that is another advantage what you have. And you can even do the profit booking also. Let me say I'll book my profit at 498 here. I'll just show you how it will get triggered. 498, let's say 498. So Axis Bank, I'm giving an order price here. I'm giving a target on at 498. I'll change it to 498 here. Sorry, 498, 494, sorry. So I'll just give the target, the first target, I'll just update it. Automatically at 494, this will get squared off. So Infosys has done all its targets. I'll show you the chart for Infosys. So this is the chart for Infosys. We can exit at this point. So REL Infra, we have a sell call here. What we'll do is we'll just check the chart and we'll place the order. Instead of taking that call, I will take this call from TT, that is the trading tree. 602.50, I can enter.
Strategy alert.
So Asian Paint, I did enter the trade there. So you can see Axis Bank, the call got triggered. I put an, sorry. So Axis Bank, I gave an exit price at 494. It got triggered. So it's a profit of 625 rupees. So I'm just trying to show you how to trade better. That is one thing. And it simplifies a lot of your work when you have this price catch. So Asian Paint already got triggered, that is a buy call. So for Asian Paint, now if you ask me what will be the profit, where I would like to exit, I can even tell you that. But Asian Paint, I think there is much more scope. So I will wait for some more time, but I can change my stop loss to 764. Yeah, it's almost near that itself. So 764 is my stop loss. So I'll wait on this. So the reason why I put the target slightly below R3 is usually scripts, it make R3, it will make the R3 and then it will come down and then it will start going down. So the way how you should be trading is trade in 2 lots at a single time. One lot you book your profit, and the second lot you change the stop loss and try to extract the maximum profit out of that trade. That's one of the best ways to trade actually. So never panic for this 500 or 1000 or 2000 rupees. Because it will keep going and it will keep coming down and going up. So you'll have to wait for your profits. So you can just see, in case if I wouldn't have had put my target, it is still going up. There is a possibility that it can make 498 also. That is Axis Bank is what I am talking about. And you can see that Axis Bank, it gave us a buy call in the morning. So you'll have to wait either till your stop loss is hit, or you should wait till your targets are done. So that is the way how you should be trading. And don't look for 1000 or 2000 rupees profits. I mean, always look for bigger targets, wait for the targets and then exit. Then you'll be able to make some substantial amount every day. And coming to the margins, I will just show you the margin file. So this is the margin what you'll be requiring. Now let's say this is the intraday margin and this is your carryover margin, and it is very important because we will be releasing a new application, that is a new software, which will be very helpful for you when you are using the NewTree. NewTree is nothing but the new neutral trading, where you will be actually doing the carryover. So it is important that you get good margins from your broker. Now let's say I'll just take one profit and then show you. Okay, let me just take BPCL here. BPCL 4,735 rupees is the profit that I have made in single lot. You can see BPCL here. Now when I come to what is the requirement The margin requirement for BPCL is 5,293. Then I'll enlarge it and then. So 5,293 rupees is what is required. That is the intraday margin. But when you compare it to your profit, you have made around 4,700 rupees. That is roughly around 80% profit on your investment. So you should be trading this way. 80% is the returns what you have made. So if you can get good margins, you can definitely make good trades. You can do definitely good trades with less investment. So it's around 1.5 hours from the market open. So to sum it up, we have SUNPHARMA, BPCL, HPCL. We had IOC, Apollo, ONGC, Tata Steel. All these were sell calls. All have made profits, including Infosys, PNB, Bank of Baroda, and TATAPOWER. And we had some buy calls. That is the AXISBANK buy. We have Jubilant. We had a buy. JSWSTEEL. We had a buy. And they were all in profits. I mean, Bank Nifty, it did an stop loss, but it has given you a profit on the sell side, on the buy side. Hindalco, similarly, we had a sell call. It hit the stop loss, and now we don't have any call. So we'll wait till there is another entry. So these are some of the trades that from 9:15 what we had. Now you can even change the name of the scripts. I mean, change the script names and then see in case if you have any calls near to that, then you can start trading in that. Like example, in case of Adani Enterprises, I'll show you 455 is the current market price. 460 is the entry for the buy side. 454 is the entry for the sell side. So that is you're nearly 1 rupee to the sell side. So you can just wait on this kind of scripts, or you can keep changing the name of the scripts and then check it. So let's just check the charts again. 495 is Axis. So Bank Nifty, and you can do positional trades in the trading tree. So in case if you ask me, we had this buy call at 150 on Friday. Now your total profit is, that is 760 to 720 points. Let's say approximately 720 points. So your profit is something like 18,000 rupees on each lot. So roughly around 18,000 rupees profit on each lot. What you should have actually done is keep trailing the stop losses till it hits the stop loss. So overall you'll end up in profits. So that is about Bank Nifty. Bharti Airtel, the trades are very bad from past 3 days. So we haven't touched on that. So CAIRN India was always a short from past 2 days. So now we can see that we had a sell at 263 here. Now it is at 259, but it made its S1 here in the morning. So Cipla is flat again. So DLF is not moving anywhere. You can see that from past 3 days it's flat. HCL Tech is a buy, but not much of trades here. HDFC, we have the sell call. Hero Motors is a buy call, though we did not place this call. Hindalco is flat. That is the reason why it kept hitting the stop losses. You can see that from past 2 days. So ICICI Bank is also flat. You can see that here. Infosys was a sure sell call. It did its all targets. ITC, the buy is still continuing. We had this buy at 240. So JPASSOCIATS we earlier saw. So Maruti is another one thing. You can see that we had this buy call here at 9:20 on Friday.
There is a sell call in the ASBBL1. There is a buy call in Wipro 1. There is a buy call in Advanced Sports 1.
So this is how the calls are generated in the trading tree. You'll get a voice alert with a pop-up. So now we have a buy call in Wipro and we have a sell call in Tata Steel. But Tata Steel, you already know that we have a sell call here. So that is the advantage what you have. In case if you are not in front of the system, you can always come back to the system and then you can place your trades. So Tata Steel, we have the sell call, a pop-up and voice alert. But in case if I would like to short it, I will short it below 468. And Wipro, we had the buy call. So I will tell you what is the difference and what is the advantage of having both the softwares with you. Now the call generated in trading tree will come after your call is generated here. You can see that Wipro, when I added, there was no call. And then the call began at 590. So we know that there is a buy call in Wipro. So what you do is you just check what's going to happen and what's happening in Wipro in the trading tree chart. Now you know that the market is going up. You should be getting a buy call here. We have already got a buy call. So you will stay in a buy position till you meet your profits. So that is the advantage of having both the applications. And your price catch. Your price catch, you don't have to type any orders. You just click one particular button. The order is placed, or else you can place and trade looking at the chart, that is the buy or sell calls, and then it will get triggered. So these are some of the pending calls that I have. So once the targets, the conditions are met, it will automatically place the calls for you. You don't have to check each and every chart or each and every script for your trades to be placed. That is the biggest advantage what you have with the price catch. See, broker won't give you anything. The broker will give you only the trading terminal. So all these applications what I am showing you, it is from us. That is from ProLogic Solutions. So the website is under construction, and that is prologicsolutions.in. So in another 1 week, you should have that also. So this by this weekend I will prologicsolutions.in. So by this weekend we will up that site also. See, Nest, it doesn't support Nest. I showed you in the morning itself. That is now I think Nest now Odin Diet, yeah, Odin Diet, Nest now it supports Odin Diet, Angel Diet, and if you have MetaTrader, you can even look at that. So you can use all this softwares in this price catch. So you can see that when we have waited for some time, then Asian Paints is now at 1500 rupees. IDBI, I think we had profit, we did square it off. That was in the short position, but the market is actually moving up. So this is one thing what you'll have to be always careful. Yeah, you can use it, you can use it. One thing what you'll have to be careful, the reason why we haven't removed Nifty and Bank Nifty is we don't trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty every day, I mean personally, but we always keep watching this figure here. So whenever you keep watching this figure, you can automatically have a gauge of the market. But whenever you have, in case if you have short positions, you can square it off because the market is going up and get into more long positions. I will show you the long positions. I mean, in case if you haven't observed, APOLLOTYRE, Ashok, all this I have placed buy. That is because I knew that the market was going to go up, because I am saying it here practically. So this is the result of that. So TCS was in loss, now it is in profit. Asian Paint is in profit. Now I will be getting some more triggers of the buy calls. Then we can actually start booking profits on other calls also. No, you don't have to see. If you have money, you buy it and then use it. Then you'll obviously make more profit. Price catch is a different thing. That is just for your trading purpose. That is for you to place the trades. But if you ask me about the other two softwares, if you have both the softwares, it's always good, because you can never get into losses. That is one thing I can assure. Provided you trade every day, you follow the rules. You follow the rules of the trade. Then you will definitely make profits. I don't see why people intraday traders cannot make profit, because they don't make profit because they don't trade every day, and the discipline is another question. So if you have the discipline and you sit and trade every day, you can definitely make profits. And what is the profit that you are looking at? Let's say 10,000 rupees every day, that amounts to around let's say 20 working days. That is something like 2 lakh rupees every month. And let me just tell you, a person, I'm from an IT background. So a person working in a good IT company with let's say 24 lakhs CTC, he would have put at least around 15-20 years of experience in that. And just imagine 15-20 years of experience and you're still earning 2 lakh rupees working from morning till night. But here it's the other way. You don't work full day. You close all your trades by at least 11, 12, or let's say it's actually 11 o'clock. I mean, if you haven't observed the time. So your 20 or 30,000 is all, I mean 10 or 20,000 every day by this time is guaranteed. You should sit and trade. So Wipro, you can see that is at intermediate target now. So SSLT, we have a sell call